catch a cold. To become sick with a cold. Don't go out in the rain or you will catch a cold. Please put on your jacket or you will catch a cold. Do a favor. To help someone by doing something for them. Could you do us a favor to the way? Please do me a favor to across the road. Do the dishes. To wash the dirty dishes, plates, cups, and utensils after eating. She must do the dishes for the dinner. I am doing the dishes with my sister. Get home. To arrive at your house or place where you live. I got home at around 7:30 in the evening. I will call you when I get home. Get married. To become husband and wife. They want to get married in this year. We got married last year. Get off the bus. To leave the bus. They got off the bus at the last stop. Please get off the bus here, everyone. Get stuck in traffic. To be unable to move because of heavy traffic. We got stuck in a traffic jam on the flyover this morning. I was stuck in traffic, so I couldn't attend at the meeting. Get the door. Go and open the door. I got the door when he came. I am going to get the door. Give a hand. To help someone. I will give you a hand to across the road if you want. He gave me a hand to pick up the tomatoes. Give a ride. To take someone in your vehicle and drop them at a place they want to go. Can you give me a ride to the market? He gave me a ride back home. Give a speech. To speak in front of people. I don't want to give a speech in front of people. I have to give a speech tonight on TV. Have a chat. To talk with someone in a friendly or informal way. I had a chat with him over coffee. Let's have a chat with your uncle. Have a fight. To argue or physically fight with someone. They often have a fight over the cake. We had a terrible fight at the office. Have breakfast. To eat breakfast. Do you have breakfast? We have breakfast with our mother. Have fun. To enjoy yourself or to have a good time. We are having fun with our friends. The kids had fun at the park. Have patience. To stay calm while waiting. Have patience, they will calm down. Have patience, your result will be good. Keep in touch. To stay connected or stay in contact with someone, by phone, message, email, etc. Please keep in touch with each other. I will keep in touch with you after moving abroad. Lose your temper. To suddenly become very angry. You should never lose your temper over small things. My boss lost his temper at the meeting yesterday. Make a mess. To make a place dirty, untidy, or not organized. They made a mess in my room again. Don't make a mess your bathroom. Make yourself at home. Feel relaxed and comfortable, just like you are in your own home. Welcome to our home. Please make yourself at home. Please make yourself at home. If you need anything, just ask me. Pay a visit. To go and see someone or someplace for a short time. We have decided to pay a visit to grandparents this evening. I think I'll pay a visit to your father tomorrow. Take a break. To stop working for a short time. I've been working for 2 hours. Now I need to take a break. Let's take a break for 15 minutes. Take a day off. To go not to work or school for 1 day. I think I need to take a day off for my kid. May I take the day off tomorrow? Take a nap. To sleep for a short time. I take a nap after lunch. I am so tired. I am going to take a nap. Take a seat. A polite way of asking someone to sit down. Please take a seat and start the meeting. She said me on the bus, please take a seat. Take a shower. To wash your body by standing under running water. The boy took a shower in the bathtub. I am taking a shower and talking to you. Take a sip. To drink a small amount of a liquid. She is taking a sip of her orange juice. She took a sip of coffee and talked to me. Take a walk. To go for a walk. Let's take a walk in this afternoon. Why do you take a walk with the dog? Take the stairs. To use a staircase to go up or down between floors instead of an elevator or escalator. I always take the stairs to second floor. We took the stairs instead of the lift last night.